here. Today marks the 8th day of trading my funded account, which is right here. I've already traded it for 7 days, and this is the express funded phase 1 challenge, one phase challenge, sorry. So as you can see, I've already reached the initial profit target and I haven't reached any of the rules, so it's only left with 1 day for me to trade, which is right here for me to trade. And I have 2 accounts on here, active accounts on here as of now, and with this one I already have a trade open. So as you can see, I've already been congratulated. So all I need to do for this 5k account is to close the open trade, and I can upgrade it to a live account. So before we open the trade on the 10k, let's close the trade on the 5k challenge first and see. So yeah, we just closed the trade on the 5k challenge. Let us refresh the page and see what happens next. So yeah, right now I've closed the trade, and I think it will take a little while for it to refresh everything. So let's go to the 10k challenge, and with this one, as you can see, I haven't opened any trades. So let's go ahead and open the trade. Open the trade. So the trade has been opened now. Let's refresh and see whether we get a notification. Okay, so as you can see, we just got a notification. So we can now go ahead and close the trade. As you can see, we just reached the profit target of 8. So yeah. As of now, nothing is going on, so I'll update you later. Yeah, peace out. What's up, guys? So I just received a pop-up on my dashboard, so let's go ahead and upgrade this account and see. Yeah. Next phase or not, well done, you've reached the target of the trading challenge. This makes you eligible for the next stage of the challenge. Note, when you go into the next stage, it will close your current account and will send you fresh trading credentials. So yeah, great night. So yeah. Okay, I just received a pop-up on my phone. I think it's my new credentials. But let me check over here. Okay, nothing was appeared over here. But I just received it on my phone. I just saw it on my phone. It just popped up. Let's do the same for the 10k challenge. So I just got the notification to my challenge. So as you can see, I've been congratulated on passing the challenge, and I'm right now waiting to get my logins to my funded account, my live funded account. So yeah, this is a little update, and I'll update you once I get the live funded account, and hopefully we don't blow it, inshallah. What's up, everybody? What's up? So my account just got upgraded. It just got upgraded, so let's log into my other account. So yeah, right now I'm live 5K account. As you can see, everything's fresh on it. So yeah, we are active again. Yeah. See you guys in another video. Peace out. So I know a lot of you will be wondering why I have 145 active days and just 8 trading days. The active days is because I bought the account starting this year, because of the meta code problems and everything. The prop firm went on maintenance and everything. So yeah, this is how long it has taken. Like since I bought the account, and with this 5K I actually passed the account before all the meta code problems, so I had to stop trading for literally 2 months. So yeah, once they came back, all I needed to do is take little trades. As you can see, just little trades every single day for 8 days to pass the trading days. So yeah, that's why I have a lot of distant account active also over there.